Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be making a sandwichito. Now, for sandwichito, you need two breads, right? Then you need big, huge mayonnaise. Right, so we get the big, huge mayonnaise. Just smear on there. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Wow, Sigmas, this is so great. Wow. You know what? I'll be right back. Guys, I put the mayonnaise on the bread. And now this is what we got. So we got the ham. And usually I like 2 pieces of ham. 2. Jesus Christ. Please. Please. Why? Bro. This is too. Bro. Too much ham. There you go. 1 ham here, and then another ham here, and then we need a cheese. But like the gay cheese, it needs to be gay. I can't get the cheese. It's attacking me. This is so gay. I can't get it out. Okay, I got it. Why is it so skinny? There we go. Wow, so great. Then once you have a cheese in there, guess what? You get more gay ham. Then you place the ham here, just like that. Then you get another ham. Stop, it's ripping. Okay, bro, I'll just eat this ham. I love the ham. It was so good. Wow. Wow. Then we need another cheese. Now that we have this other cheese, we put the cheese on this side. Wait, no, this side. We put the cheese on this side. Then you get more mayonnaise. You scrub. Guys, I ran out of storage. I don't know what that was, but you get the mayonnaise and then you smear it on the edges, because when you eat your sandwich, you like don't get the mayonnaise until you're in the middle. But then you want it on the edges, right? You want it on the... I think that's a little too much mayonnaise, but it's okay. I'm an anime girl, right? Alright guys, I think that's enough mayonnaise. Alright guys, now all you gotta do... Oh god, I got some on my finger.
Got some on my finger.
Got some on my... Now let's just flip it over. Wow. Just smear it a little bit. Guys, my storage ran out again, but we're gonna get epic shots of the sandwich.
And I got myself some grape juice.
Grape juice.
Grape juice.
Grape juice.
And a sandwich.